Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to host your website on GitHub for free. Yes, you heard that right. No servers, no hosting fees, just pure awesomeness. If you have a simple website built with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, you can put it online in no time using GitHub Pages. And I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. So let's get started. All right, before we deploy our website, let me quickly show you what we're working with. This is a simple login page built with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Here's the index.html file. It structures the page with a login form, input fields for a username and password, a remember me checkbox, and some links for password recovery and registration. Nothing too complex, just a clean and functional layout. Now to make it look great, we have a style.css file. This adds a modern glass morphism-inspired design with a smooth gradient background and a stylish login box. We're also using some simple animations for the input fields to make them more interactive. If we scroll down to the bottom of index.html, you'll see that we're linking an external JavaScript file, public/js/login.js. This script will handle the login functionality, so let's take a look at it. Inside login.js, we have a simple event listener that detects when the login form is submitted. It prevents the default form submission, grabs the username and password input values, and performs a basic validation. If the user enters admin as the username and password as the password, they'll be redirected to dashboard.html. Otherwise, an alert pops up saying invalid username or password. And finally, here's our dashboard.html file. It's a super simple page that just displays a message. H1, you have successfully logged in. That's it. Now, let's get this site online using GitHub Pages. All right, now that we have our project ready, let's upload it to GitHub and deploy it online. First, I opened GitHub Desktop and clicked on New Repository. I named the repository Turtle Code and then hit Create Repository. Next, I went to my project folder, copied all the code files, and pasted them into the newly created Turtle Code repository folder. As soon as I did that, GitHub Desktop detected the changes automatically. To save these changes, I wrote a commit message and clicked Commit to Main. Then, I clicked Publish Repository. At this point, there was an option Keep this code private. But since we want to make the website public, I unchecked that option and then clicked Publish Repository again. Now let's check if everything worked. I switched to my web browser, refreshed my GitHub profile, and boom! The project is now successfully uploaded to GitHub. All right, now that our project is on GitHub, let's make it live using GitHub Pages. First, let's open our repository to make sure all the files are there. Looks good? Great. Now, let's go to the Settings tab. Scroll down until you find Pages, then click on it. Here, we need to set up the deployment. Under the Branch section, let's click the drop-down and select Main. Done? Awesome. Now hit Save. GitHub will take a few seconds to process that. Let's refresh the page, and there it is, a live link to our website. Click Visit Site, and boom, our website is officially live on the internet. But hold on, let's test if everything works properly. Try entering a wrong password first. See, we get an alert saying the credentials are incorrect. Now let's enter the correct username and password. And yes, it redirects us to dashboard.html just like we planned. And that's it. We just deployed a website for free in just a few minutes. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next. Catch you in the next one. Happy coding.